LGBT+ History Month is an opportunity for us to recognise and celebrate LGBTQ+ people, as well as reflect on how we can work together to create a more equal society for everyone. We want Newport to be an inclusive city where LGBTQ+ people, their history, lives and experiences are valued. We're working with our Pride staff network and the local community to strengthen our position as an inclusive council and city.
LGBT+ History Month is about more than just emphasising where we have been. It showcases how far we have come and where we want to be in the future. Lived experience being shared is vital to the growth and acceptance of the LGBTQ+ community here in Newport. By hearing stories and anecdotes of how we became, we learn about how we continue. As a queer person who uses pronouns he, her, I know firsthand the importance of events like History Month. We have Pride Month for celebrating, but we have History Month for learning. I acknowledge that I have the freedom I have today because those who came before didn't accept that living a lie is enough. Seeing what my trans family are going through and the misinformation that is being shared, it's important that we move away from the media source and listen to lived voices and learn what it truly means to be part of the LGBTQ+ community is. We're not just an empty group of letters, we are real people with real lives. We just want to live authentically and without needing permission to be ourselves. We are the couple next door who may look different to the couple before. We're the parents at school. We shop in the town centre. We run businesses you shop from. We are the people who use they, them pronouns that you don't understand fully, but we're here and happy to help and not judge but educate. With respect and genuine interest at heart, maybe learn something new this month and ask a question or 5. We must claim our past, we must celebrate our present, and we must create our future.
The LGBTQ community often go unheard, their stories untold and their lives erased. This year marks the 20th anniversary of the abolition of Section 28, and although that marked a watershed, there is still work needed to make a more equal and inclusive society for everyone. We must acknowledge the effect that the legislation had on limiting the visibility of previous LGBTQ+ generations. This is why today it's so important that we speak out and proud about LGBTQ+ history without the fear of repercussions. LGBTQ+ History Month is an opportunity to celebrate what has been done and focus on an even better future. We still have a way to go for the trans plus community who are fighting daily for their rights and laws to protect them. The fight in some ways has only just begun, and that's why as Newport City's LGBT+ champion, I want to show the LGBTQ community that they are seen and they are celebrated.
Within Newport City Council, we have a Pride staff network made up of members of staff who identifies LGBTQIA+, and we have an active schedule of meetings and events to help our community feel represented, supported and safe in the workplace. Our Pride network has hosted World AIDS Day events, local youth art collections, supported our first City Pride and held flag raising events, and is pushing to become bigger and better. If anyone watching this would like to get involved as an external member of the public, a professional organisation, an ally in the community, or even if you work for Newport City Council and would like to join our network, please contact pride@newport.gov.uk.
As a council, we value our LGBTQ+ community. We are committed to ensuring our working practices and policies make Newport a better, more inclusive city for everybody, where all residents feel safe, valued and respected.